All right, guys. LeoVince 15219 exhaust. I didn't do the black edition because I got a good deal on this silver one. It's kind of like a titanium look. It's not actually titanium, but it's really clean. There is a spring that holds the slip-on muffler section to the pipe. You've got a couple bolts here, and then one main one that holds onto the bracket because it comes with that bracket. And then you have your original screw ring that holds everything together. So we'll see how it sounds. Not very many miles, 285. By the way, still running the OEM cat. I have not decat it, and I'm not sure I will. Anyways, hope you guys like it.